Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 3. So, I just woke up a little bit ago and I'm getting ready to go to Trader Joe's. But my mom filled my advent calendar, so day 3. I got some kisses. Cute. I'll have to save those for later and share them. Also, guys, look at my blinds. These are new. How amazing is that? These two are broken though, but pretend they work. Also, update, this candle that I got yesterday from Target, I burned it in the evening yesterday. It smells so good. I love it. Oh, look at the ducks. Here they come. Okay, I need to get ready. So we're almost home from Trader Joe's. We go to the one that's like 40 minutes away because there's not one closer. So, it's quite the day trip. And we're gonna get breakfast from this place that's really good nearby, but they didn't seem to be, well, in Michigan you can't eat in restaurants and we were just gonna take it to go, but they didn't seem to be open for to go, so we stopped at Wendy's because she was hungry. But I'll show you guys what we got from Trader Joe's when I get home. Okay, I'll do an unboxing of my Trader Joe's items. So first, got these sweet apple chicken sausage. These are so yummy, so I got 2. And then I got these mini brie wrapped in puff pastry, like little appetizers. They sounded good. Some strawberry and banana yogurt. Some tofu, vegetable gyoza. I'm doing a haul. A haul? Yes. I'm showing the camera everything I got.
Oh, okay.
Some sweet potato gnocchi. They were out of cauliflower, so I got 2 of these because they serve like 2.5, 3 people, but there's 4 of us and we have 1 bag of cauliflower, so I wanted to get another bag, but the sweet potatoes were really good. And then I got 2 bags of this scallops with mushrooms, just for like an easy dinner, throw in some like broccoli or whatnot. Yeah. Then I got some caprese ravioli. I've never tried that, but we have a lot of tomatoes and mozzarella, so might as well add some ravioli to this. And then just some whole wheat pita breads. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to try these peppermint pretzel slims. I'm surprised how much of their Christmas stuff that they still had in stock. My mom likes these sesame honey almonds. And then I got this for like Christmas Eve or something. Jingle Jangle. It says it's a fun mix of fan favorite candy treats. So milk chocolate candies, dark chocolate, JoJo cookies, and milk and dark chocolate peanut butter cups, which are my favorite from Trader Joe's. So I'm excited to get that out. And then I just got the strawberry preserves. I don't know, I needed some, and that looks the most normal. Just some milk for my fan. And then a little bag of avocado. Excuse me. And then I have my camera rested on these chocolate covered pretzel twist assortment. They just looked really cute. So yeah, that's what I got. I honestly could get so much more every time I go to Trader Joe's, but I'm like, there's no space in the freezer for all this stuff. It's so pretty out right now. The sun's shining on the trees over there. I'm gonna go check on my dad. He's putting up the swag in the front of the house. See the sunset? I came to check in. It looks nice.
Yeah, get down here and give me a critique of some of them.
Our new railing. Some of them what?
Yeah, these two look pretty good.
You know, she sent me in that home store, blindsided me, and I had to find these things.
Do you think I got it? See, they're kind of coming apart, a couple of them. That's like a U and that's like a shallower.
Yeah, it looks kind of funny.
Those two do.
Because it's like, yeah.
It needs to be adjusted. I think I got this part pretty well. See, we can.
Yeah, that looks a lot better over there.
Tie some of those branches back up. We need to get a bunch of heavy green ties. Yeah, I'll adjust it. And then I got another one that's going around that first. But I'm not going to do that now. I'm done.
Looks nice. Oh, the ambulance is back. Cold. Our neighbors have an ambulance just as their car. Weird. No judgments though. Fun fact, we have an outdoor bathroom right here. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. We have our patio chairs in here right now, but has a washer and dryer in here. Keep all the lake stuff. Okay. Back to warmth.
3 cups of sugar.
Those good muffins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're making some muffins. What are they called?
6-week muffins.
6-week muffins.
I'm going to make a racket.
My grandma used to make them a lot. Okay.
This is brand new. This hasn't been opened.
Yeah, there were 2 unopened ones, so I opened a new one.
Well then I'll use that one. And I'll trade you. See?
You see how big this bowl is? You have to say what you're adding.
This is 15 ounces of Raisin Bran cereal.
I think I lost count.
Yeah, looks like 4.
I couldn't remember if it was 3 or 4. I think 4.
It's 5 teaspoons of baking powder.
You pick that rock up with that. Oh, yeah.
I think there's 5 cups of sugar in here.
No, well, there aren't. You need 3 cups.
Oh.
We added 5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and now I'm beating 4 eggs. We also need to add a quart of buttermilk and 1 cup of oil. The reason it's called 6-week muffins is because it can be stored in the refrigerator for 6 weeks. So that way you can cook, you can bake them the amount that you want any day.
Oh, so you save the batter.
Yeah.
I'm so messy.
Pardon me?
I'm so messy. Look at that.
Yeah. Here goes the 4 beaten eggs. And then we need a cup of vegetable oil and 1 quart of buttermilk.
1 cup of oil.
Yeah. And here's the buttermilk. You can buy a quart of it, which is nice. And here, can you scrape the sides there? The other fun thing to do with this is that on Christmas or Thanksgiving, or you can give some to your neighbors. So I think that's what we'll do. We're gonna give some for our neighbors to enjoy.
Our neighbor. No. No, it won't.
I can get it.
Look how pretty it is.
It's gonna be another gorgeous day tomorrow. So you stir. And we also need to tell our friends that you need to grease, spray the muffin tins. And then somehow on my recipe, I did not get what temperature for how long. So I gotta look that up.
I feel like a lunch lady or something.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like the goo that they get in movies. I know, she did this yesterday or whenever. It's like she just won't start eating it.
So you bake at 400 for 15 to 20 minutes, and you fill a muffin tin 2/3 of the way full. So bake for 15 to 20 minutes till it comes out nice and brown. And just let this rest for a little bit before you put it in smaller containers and put it in your refrigerator.
Is that good?
Yeah. Here you can see the batter.
I can move the camera.
It smells good.
It doesn't look very appetizing.
It doesn't look very appetizing, but I'm telling you, it's some of the best muffins, and we used whole wheat flour, which is better for you.
Did you put in the eggs?
And I put in the eggs, yeah. I eat them. So we've got it all together. That's it. So hope you enjoy.
Did you see that I got
Okay, why don't you, yeah, so we're having tonight?
No.
Oh. Okay, we need to turn that off.
Does anyone else have a bratty dog that cries for food even though her bowl is basically full? Huh? Zoe, what about these? Do you want this? Do you want this?
Maybe, by January, he will be so downtrodden that he'll be happy to get out of it. And he just keeps lying. A